Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Swann camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you can try these troubleshooting methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, we are going to restart the camera and then reconnect it. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button, and you need to basically press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds or until you hear a beep or until you see any flashlight over here on the camera. Once you see that, simply wait for the camera to restart. After that, you need to simply open your Swann security application. In it, you can either tap on the plus icon on the home page or you can tap on the option of add device. Afterwards, you need to simply select your camera model and follow the setup. And in it, you need to basically scan the QR code which will be shown on your phone. Keep your phone close to the camera and the router during the pairing. So after doing this particular step, if the issue still persists, you can just simply check for some of the details in your router. So you need to look for the router configuration. First of all, you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi name or the SSID is visible and it should not be hidden. The second thing that you need to check is that the security type is WPA2 and not WPA3 only. The third thing that you need to check is no MAC filtering or device limits are enabled. Also double check the Wi-Fi password and avoid any special characters if possible. After making these changes, you can restart your router and try connecting it again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.